What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to today's video. In today's video, we're on our way to Ohio right now, but this traffic is the worst. We are at an absolute standstill. There it is. And we're just big chilling now. It added like over 20 minutes to my drive. I'll be in Ohio for the next 3 days, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. We are not even having our stuff from our apartment yet, so we'll see if they end up calling me today saying they're gonna drop my stuff off. So if that happens, we gotta make sure mom and dad or somebody is able to be there to accept it. Very frustrating, as well as this traffic. But either way, we're gonna have a great day. We're gonna have a great video. I don't know if I'm gonna do each day individually. Probably not, because I'm here for work. So it'll probably just be our time in Ohio. It's gonna be fun. Sit back, relax. I hope you've been enjoying it so far. And hopefully we get out of this traffic within today, honestly. All right, guys, it has been a substantial amount of time, roughly 9 hours, but we had a pretty solid work day. It was my first time down here at our facility, so it worked out really nice. We're good, learned a lot of brain power went into the day, big brain only. So we're on our way to the hotel. It is a very quick drive. It is very, look at that landscape. Wow. But let's get to the hotel, get settled in, and then it's gonna be time to eat because the kid is starving. You're welcome for that. Let's go. Oh, baby. We're staying at a True by Hilton. It's looking kind of fancy. And maybe it's just because I always stay at a normal Hampton Inn, but either way, this is fancy right now. I like it. I'm excited to get inside and find a bed and sleep. Actually, I already checked in. If you can digitally check in online, you should. Like, it's just simple science, guys. Look it up in the dictionary. Yo, the color scheme's kind of dope. I think I can get in the side door here. Fire in the booth. Let's go. All right, we are in the room finally. This room is ginormous. And look at how tiny this desk is, bro. This doesn't even make sense. But we have a nice view of, the next hotel over. Bro, is this only see-through? That's a little sus. People can be trying to watch and look at my unmentionables. What else we got in here? Mini fridge, iron, hangers. Bro, they don't believe in closets. Low key, not a fan of this, bro. Give me my old school traditional Hampton Inn hotels. We got 87 bars here in case you're trying to do a workout or play on a play set. Not soap radio, huh? Body wash, shampoo, conditioner. So this is the digs, is that a squatty potty, bro? Wild. But yeah, so we're settled in. We're gonna relax a little bit. Yo, this is like too modern. I'm too old. Like, I'm 28. Don't get me wrong. I'm a young guy, but I like my traditional hotel room stuff, And this ain't it. But better than nothing. So we still consider it a win. I don't know how I'm supposed to work on here, dude. Man. Anyways, I'm gonna relax a little bit. Then time to get some food. All right, we have officially arrived at the club. It looks pretty cool. It's a pretty popular spot here in Sandusky, I guess. I'll leave you guys here, obviously. I'll let you know how dinner review is in 3, 2, 1. And we are back in the room from dinner. Everything was pretty good. Had some nice grilled chicken, extra delicious, but overall give the club 8.5 out of 10. But it's 10 o'clock, it's time for bed. Got a long day again tomorrow, so I'll see you there. All right, guys, it is next evening vibes, full 24 hours pretty much since the last clip. We are exploring the beautiful city of Sandusky. Actually, I was making a lot of trolley jokes saying that, it's Ohio, it's Sandusky, as it's called here, but it's actually a really beautiful town. I can't wait to come back here. We're here checking out Marblehead Lighthouse, but I will be back here during the summertime. There's a lot of cool different places to hit. It's a more touristy town, so there's like a lot more things to do, but we're gonna go explore this now since it's such a nice day out. Let's get after it. All right, let's go check out this lighthouse. So here we are. This lighthouse is over 50 feet tall. It's actually the oldest operational lighthouse on the Great Lakes, so shout out Great Lakes. But this view is really actually... So correction, this was originally 50 feet tall. It is now 65 feet tall. And it's made out of limestone, fun fact. It cost $6,500 to make that bad boy. Let's get near the water. It's calling my name. Shout out Moana. I don't know if y'all can see it, but I'm pretty sure that right there is Cedar Point. Probably open. It's only March. They'd definitely be open now, right? Yeah, 100%. The water is obviously one of the most calming things about this spot, but just, it's so peaceful. It's not very busy right now because of the time of year, but I just love this shoreline that's all rocky. You can just walk as much of this as you want. You can sit anywhere you want. They got tons of dry spots. It's just a really calming place. And we soaked in the scenery, just got really relaxed in touch. I'm gonna try to go to a pier that's over here that's really popular. And then from there we'll get some food, so let's go. And we have arrived. See what this is all about. It's got a chill vibe. We love the seagulls. We got some swings over there. Let's check out the swings. But very peaceful view. We love it. So we got some good time relaxing again by more water. I really like this spot too. Both really chill. I would love to see this city during the summertime when it's like off and popping and a big tourist spot. So we might come back. This might be a future video exploring Sandusky, but it is time to eat. The kid is hungry. Looks like I'm right by a taco joint. I love me my Mexican food. We're gonna put you guys away. Sorry about that. And then we'll check in after dinner's done. Next day vibes. It is 6:30 a.m. Another 12 hours later. We are getting ready for our last day here in Sandusky. Dripped up, dripped out, ready for work. But I'm gonna end the video here because pretty much I got work and then a long drive home. And we already did the drive here, so that's enough driving for one video. But I hope you enjoyed it. Please drop a like, leave us a comment down below. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Turn on the post notifications, send the video to a friend because we got Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday vlogs, as well as the Monday podcast, and you don't wanna miss any of that. But most importantly, don't forget to have a great day or night. Don't forget to keep God number one. God bless.